Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope that you're doing good. I am Miss Samira, your English teacher. Welcome to the video lectures, class 5, subject English, lecture number 14. Book name is Grammar and Usage. Let's see the contents of today's lecture. First, we will have an introduction of prepositions. So today's topic is prepositions. Then we will have an explanation in detail and some examples. And at the end, we will solve an exercise from the book relating to prepositions. Let's see the instructions for today's lecture. I want all my students to be attentive and listen carefully. Keep all your things ready, your books, notebooks and stationery items. Follow all the guidelines and note down all the key points. Take the lecture under the supervision of elders. Let's start off today's lecture with the definition of prepositions. A preposition is a word that is used before a noun or pronoun to show the word's connection and relation with another word. सो बेसिकली ऐसे तमाम अल्फाज जो कि कनेक्शन या रिलेशन के लिए यूज़ होते हैं, जो कि एक नाउन या प्रोनाउन का बाकी सेंटेंस के साथ कनेक्शन शो करते हैं, उनको हम prepositions कहते हैं. Now let's see some examples. Read and learn. Joe went fishing with me. यहाँ with is the preposition. यहाँ हम with को preposition की तरह लेंगे. Joe went fishing with me. जो मेरे साथ जो है वो fishing करने गया. Second example है I bought a loaf of bread. यहाँ of is the preposition. So in general there are three kinds of prepositions: preposition of position, direction and time. Now let's see them and read them in detail. First we will see what preposition of position is. This preposition shows where someone or something is. For example, the kitten is under the table. So, under this word is telling us where the kitten is. Example number 2, the kite is above us. Again, above is telling us that where the kite is. So, preposition of position shows the position of something or someone. Now, coming to preposition of direction. This preposition shows the movement of a person, animal or thing. ये किसी भी चीज़ की, किसी इंसान की, किसी जानवर की movement show करती है कि किधर को है, किस तरफ को है. Let's see the examples. Roy is jumping into the pool. So Roy pool के अंदर jump कर रहा है. ये आपको movement show कर रहा है into the pool. Sentence number 2 is the monkey is climbing up the tree. So here up is the preposition of direction जो कि आपको ये बता रहा है कि monkey किस तरफ को जा रहा है. ठीक है, तो preposition of directions वो prepositions होती हैं जो आपको किसी भी movement की direction बताती हैं. वो movement किसी इंसान की हो सकती है, जानवर की और या किसी चीज़ की. अब हम आएंगे preposition of time की तरफ. So preposition of time shows when something is taking place. यानी ये हमें बताएगा, ऐसी time related prepositions होती हैं. Let's see some examples. Dinner is at 7 o'clock. So here the time is being shown. So at is pointing to the time. So at is a preposition of time. Sentence number 2, my mother's birthday is in June. Again time related. So preposition of time tells us when something is taking place, when an action is going to happen. After understanding the concept of prepositions, let's come to the exercise, which is on page number 173, exercise 54. This exercise is related to the topic of prepositions. So students, please open your grammar and usage books, open page number 173 and give date and day. Let's see the statement of this exercise. Complete the story below by filling in the blanks with suitable prepositions from the box. Use each word once only. So, you have the options here, the prepositions are given to you already. You just have to choose the proper preposition, the correct answer, and write it in the blanks. Let's see what the options are. Of, beside, with, for, like, inside, under, towards, around, behind. So these are the prepositions which you have to use in your exercise. Now this is the story which is given, and you have to fill the blanks with the prepositions. When I was 5 years old, I used to like playing hide and seek. Dash my sister. Now this is the blank number 1. Okay, that is why number 1 is written here. Dash my sister, I would hide dash curtains and dash tables, but she would always find me eventually. Once I remember hiding dash the storeroom. The storeroom was warm and stuffy, and soon I dozed dash. My sister searched dash the house, dash me. Finally, she walked dash the storeroom and opened the door quietly. To her amusement, I was sleeping dash a log, dash a pile of old newspapers. Boys and girls, I would recommend कि आप ये story खुद से इसको fill up करें. जो blanks हैं, numbering दी गई है. इसमें टोटल 10 ब्लैंक्स आ रही हैं स्टोरी में, और 10 के 10 में आपने prepositions लगानी हैं जो कि आपके ऑलरेडी ऑप्शंस में गिवन है. एंड रिमेंबर यू हैव टू यूज़ one word once only. So I'm going to give you some time to solve this exercise yourself. I hope that you have completed the exercise yourself. Now let's see the answers. I'm just going to give you the answers in your blanks. In number 1, you're going to write with. In blank number 2, behind. Blank number 3, under. Blank number 4, inside. Blank number 5, off. Blank number 6, around. Blank number 7, for. Blank number 8, towards. Blank number 9, like. And the last blank, beside. So these are the answers which you have to write in the blanks. Make sure that you have written the correct answer in the given blank. That was all for today. I hope that you have understood the lecture. If you still have any problem and queries, you can ask me. I'm here for your guidance. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.